Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to find out the reverse number of a 5 digits number in Python. So let's take an example. So 5 digit number is 12,345 and 54,321 is the reverse number of 12,345. So guys, now let me open up the Jupyter notebook. Now we are going to find out the reverse of a 5 digits number in Python. So guys, let's take the input from the user first with the help of input method. So n equals to int, it is used for typecasting, and then we will use input method. And here we are entering a string, enter the 5 digits number. And now I am using a variable revnum to store reverse number, and it will be initialized by 0 because there will be repetitive sum. And now I am using while loop, and the condition will be n greater than 0. And now first of all I am calculating the remainder a equals to n percentile 10, and then we will use revnum equals to revnum into 10 plus a, and after that n equals to n integer division by 10. So guys, this while loop will execute these three statements until this condition becomes false, and after processing the while loop we will print the reverse number by using this statement. The reverse number is let's say revnum. And now guys, if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the 5 digit number. So let me enter the 5 digit number. Guys, I have entered 12,345. So guys, the reverse number will be 54,321. So guys, now let me explain the working of this program. So suppose we have entered a number 12,345. So initially this condition will be true and the value of a will be 5 because 12,345 percentile 10 will be 5. So the value of revnum will be 5 because initially revnum was 0. So 0 into 10 will be 0 plus a. So the value of a is 5. So revnum will be 5, and here we will divide n by 10. So the value of n will be 1234, and now it will again check this condition. So 1234 greater than 0, and this condition is true. So the value of a will be 4 and revnum will be 54 because revnum was 5 and 5 into 10 will be 50 plus 4. So the value of revnum will be 54 this time, and the value of n will be 123, and 123 greater than 0, and this condition will be true. And now this time the value of a will be 3 and the value of revnum will be 543, and now we will divide n by 10. So the value of n will be 12 and 12 greater than 0, and this is also true. So this time value of a will be 2 and the value of revnum will be 5,432, and the value of n will be 1. And now n greater than 0, and this is true. The value of a will be 1 and the value of revnum will be 54,321, and now n will be 0, and now this condition becomes false. Now control will come out from this while loop and will print the reverse number. So guys, now let me run this program again, and now I have entered, let's say, this number 98,564. Now it is giving the reverse number 46,589. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.